How's it going, YouTube? Alicia Walls here. I just wanted to reiterate some of the things that I didn't discuss on my previous video that I uploaded about the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. So the first thing that I want to let you guys know is you also receive cash as well as stamps whenever a person joins you on this opportunity. Okay, so you can receive on the insider level a $70 commission and 1 book of stamps on your direct level, and $30 commissions and 1 book of stamps on your indirect sales. On the VIP level, you'll receive 2 books of stamps and $150 commission on your direct, and $60 commission and 2 books of stamps on your indirect. So it makes this opportunity just that much better so that you can get your letters out in the mail every single time a member joins you, okay? So on the prestige level, you receive $300 commissions on direct sales and 3 books of stamps, and you receive $100 commission on your indirect and 3 books of stamps, okay? And for the elite level, guys, you'll receive $1,000 commission and 4 books of stamps on your direct sales, and $500 commissions and 4 books of stamps on your indirect sales. Okay. And I know I had some people to ask me in the comments on the previous video, what's the cost? So let's go over the cost of each level. So as you can see here, the insider level, it costs, guys, only $200. Okay. So if you think about the amount of items that you're receiving with this particular level, you're receiving, guys, 100 leads emailed to you and on pill and stick labels. You're also receiving 3 copies, 3 full color copies of your sales letter 100 times. Okay, so you're really receiving 300 copies, and all you're having to pay is $200. Okay, you're also receiving your vacation getaways. You're receiving your travel discount membership. On the VIP level, the cost is $400. You're receiving, once again, 300 leads emailed and on pill and stick labels, and you're receiving 300 color copies of your sales letter. Not to mention the vacation getaways and the travel membership. On the prestige level, it costs $700 to join at the prestige level. And this is just a discounted price for right now. The company has informed me that this price may go up within the next month. So if you're thinking about coming in at the prestige level and receiving those 500 digital leads, as well as on pill and stick labels, 500 copies of your sales letter, a customized return address stamp, 500 envelopes. Guys, that is huge. The only thing you need to purchase on the prestige level are your stamps. And if you're like a lot of the people that don't send out 500 letters at a time, you can save those 500 letters, send out 100 letters a week. And that way you're only paying for 1 roll of stamps. And the company gives you their discounted stamp source to purchase stamps at a discounted rate. So this prestige level is huge. This is huge. And the elite level, OMG, this is phenomenal. $2,500 to start. You're going to receive 500 fully assembled letters at your front door. 500 fully assembled letters. Okay. And we're talking about the best of the best. 24-pound paper, really thick envelopes. We're talking about a design on your envelope, guys. You will already have your address label with your lead on it on your envelope. You will also have a stamp. Your customized stamp, your customized return address stamp, that will be on your letter already. All you have to do once you receive your box in the mail for the elite level is drop those babies right in the mail. That's all that you have to do. That's all that you have to do. You'll receive any business in a box items at your doorstep within 10 to 14 days. It doesn't matter which one it is, 10 to 14 days, it will be at your front door. The company will also email you with tracking information so that you can track your business in a box. So this company has really put a lot of thought and effort and time into creating this opportunity so all of us can have a fair chance of earning that additional income that we've always been looking for. Now, as you notice here on the right-hand side of the screen, it tells you for the first level, which is the insider level, to send your cash and your stamps to step 1, 2, and 3. But on the VIP, the prestige, and the elite level, the company wants you to email them to join that level. And don't forget, when you do email them to join that level, don't forget to mention your level that you want to join, as well as your mentor, your sponsor's name in step number 2. And that's for, once again, the VIP, the prestige, and the elite level. Okay? So the next thing that I want to talk about here is the cost for the business in a box add-ons. Okay? I know you guys see this little stuff here. I created this PowerPoint, and now I'm not going actually through the PowerPoint, just separate little pages. But anyway, in your business in a box, you'll receive your sales letters, your stamps, your color envelopes, your leads on pill and stick labels. If you would like to add your cover letter to your business in a box, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's just an additional $20 for each business in a box that you would like to add that one sheet, which is your cover letter. The quantities are 50 for $99, 150 for $199, 300 for $299, and 500 for $599. Okay? All of your business in a box options, they actually come unassembled. You have to fold your letters, put them in your envelopes, apply your address stamp, your address label, and your stamps for the business in a box options. Now, there are other options that you guys will see in your welcome kit once you become a member, where you can actually receive those fully assembled letters. But to be honest with you, if you have children, kids ask us for stuff every single day, and there's no harm into putting your kids to work, letting them fold those letters and put it in there, put your address label and all that stuff on there for you to save you some money. This company, I'm telling you guys, they really went all in of trying to figure out what's working best for every single person that's out there. Okay? So once again, I just wanted to, show you guys briefly what I missed, because I did receive a lot of questions about, hey, what's this and what's that? And also about the vacation getaways. Let's talk about the vacation getaways. For the 2 vacation getaways that you guys will receive, you only pay the taxes and the resort fee. There are no nightly fees for the vacation getaways. You have 3-night vacations all the way up to 7-night vacations, okay? So when I stated before that you're able to give these vacations away, you will receive a link where you can give that link to whoever that you would like to give that link to for them to claim their vacation getaways. Inside of your welcome kit that you receive in the mail, you will also have a list of the different vacation getaways that you can choose from, okay? The travel discount membership. I forgot to mention this. When you become a member of the travel discount company, the only thing that the travel discount company requires of you is to pay a $17 website fee so that you have everything there that's on the website. They will actually send you out an email so that you can provide them with your personal information to include on your website, okay? So think of it like this. This is a business within a business, because you have 2 things there that a lot of people want. It's the time of the year where people start to book their vacations for the next year. So if you become a member, you have 2 businesses that you can possibly run. If nothing else, you can give the travel membership to family and friends as well, if that's what you would like to do. But we wanted to let you know, I wanted to let you know that you can make an additional income with the travel discount memberships, okay? And with your name and your sales letter being added to the company rotator, the company doesn't have a certain website, okay? They do not have their own website. The Elite Unlimited .com, that's my domain. That's my domain name that I purchased because the company did not have a website. But the company sends their link, like they have their own link. They send their link to I think it's like 4 or 5 different companies that constantly sends traffic to their link. So if your sales letter is in that rotator, just imagine sitting at home and you know that you haven't advertised at all, and you receive a package in the mail and you're wondering, where did it come from? You haven't physically brought in anyone. So there's no indirect commission that you could have received. That's where the company rotator comes into play, okay? So for the next one, the discounts on your color prints, the discounted stamps, the envelopes, the wholesale price leads, you guys receive all of that. You have access to all of that. There's no need to worry about, oh, well, let me order my prints from Office Depot or from Staples or from Kinko's, or print them off on your own. Use the company discounted source and get your prints for 6 cents for color prints. It's super easy. It's super simple. Nothing hard about this opportunity whatsoever. So if you have any other questions and you guys want to get started with this opportunity, make sure that you click the link below this video and visit the website. I also have a rotator in place for all of my members that come into the opportunity, okay? So you not only have 1 rotator, but you have 2 rotators that your sales letter will actually go into. The company provides all of the training, and I also have my own training. Of course, if anyone has ever joined me in any opportunity, you know that I always have my own training. The company sends you a link to set up your website, how to make your link clickable. They send you the training on how to rank your video on YouTube. They send you your training on how to merge your personal Facebook page into a business page. And now, instead of starting with 0 followers, 0 likes, however many friends that you had on your Facebook page, you now are able to have that on your business page. How great is that? So there's a lot of training that you guys will receive. You will receive your offline training. There are postcards that I have created for this opportunity. So if anyone that joins my team, you guys will definitely receive a postcard design where you can drop your postcard in the mail. A person receives your postcard and go to your website. So once again, if you guys are interested, and you want to get in, you want to get in, because when this opportunity starts booming and it goes viral, you want to make sure that you already have your seat at the table. Okay? So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. On tomorrow, I will have an open package party tomorrow on my YouTube channel, just to let you guys see that with this opportunity, I am bringing in packages with this opportunity. Since I broke my finger, it's been kind of crazy right now, whatever, a lot of pain with my finger, but all in all, I'm still here. I'm well. I thank the Lord that I work from home and I don't have to try to get out here and work with this finger at an office or something like that. So once again, you guys need to get in. This is a phenomenal opportunity. And if you get in now, you're going to grow with this company. If you wait to get in, you've lost a lot of money. Okay, you've lost a lot of money. You've lost a lot of stamps. If you want to promote this business offline, receive your stamps, sell your stamps. If you don't want to send any letters off, sell your stamps. That's all that you have to do is sell your stamps. But I'm here to tell you, offline and online income is great. It's great. Okay? So click the link in the description. Go to the website. Print your sales letter off. Get started. That's all you have to do. Get started at whatever level that's affordable for you. That's all that you have to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys on tomorrow for my open package party.